Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to turn off NSFW filter on X. So actually for this one you should use your preferred browsing system, because X application usually just does not show you such functions and basically you're not able to even change something. So open x.com, log into your X account, and now tap your profile picture in the top left. Then you want to scroll down to settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety, open content you see, and now at the top this is the option that you were looking for that says display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you want to see this sensitive content on your X feed, then you have to have this function enabled. And additionally, let's go to search settings and find option that says hide sensitive content. If you want to see it, if you want to see sensitive content in your search results when you search for something on X, then you want to disable this function so that you could see it in your search results. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.